Yeah, I guess the biggest impact for us is the time savings. When you can take three dispatchers that were spending probably a full week doing it and now only spending 1 day. If you gain 4 days of time, yeah, you can use those in other places. Also, the inefficient routes we had and unnecessary stops because you just had to go there to make sure that they didn't run out. You didn't know what they had in the tank, but we just did those milk runs all the time. And then we had delivered to certain accounts because of the time that passed. Often these stops weren't needed, but wanted to make sure they didn't run out. And then with bulk gas now, we're able to use all that historical data that's set up in there. That's continually updating to make these routes way more efficient. That and plus just running the proper, not the routes, but the proper areas, because we would be jumping all over to catch the ones that were low.
The biggest impact for us since bulk gas manager would probably be going paperless. Having doing our business without paper floating around really tightens up a lot of different processes. So when someone makes a delivery through TED on a bulk gas ticket, I mean, the person that's going to select the order knows right away that it was done. So we're not waiting for traveling tickets to float around and make it to the selection process, as well as hitting our vessels when they need to be hit. The delivery forecast tool, which would replace the scheduled delivery, you can see all your tanks in order by the most empty. And when they go to flush tickets, they can just flush them directly into our dispatcher's scheduling tool. And there's not, hey, check your printer for paper, check, all those different places where tickets get lost. Everything is happening electronically, and we're seeing our tanks when they need to be filled. So that's been probably the biggest improvement.